Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White. This little home is tucked away in the bush between Titirangi, Glen Eden and Oratia, and it is a great entry point for those looking to get into this ever popular part of the West Auckland market. 21 Karapiti Place is found at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac and set on just over 1,000 square metres of land. And with 3 great sized bedrooms, secure section and lots of land to play with, the home is going to work for so many buyers in the marketplace. Upon entering the home, you are greeted with a light-filled, open-plan living that flows to a north-facing deck, and that is just perfect for your summer barbecues and kids' parties alike. The kitchen and bathroom have been modernised over the last 10 years, and the large master bedroom with walk-in wardrobe is a real bonus. Sitting on a large site, there is potential to extend and create a bigger home, or just sit here and enjoy the sunshine and the sound of the tuis in the trees. With a large underhouse area that will be fantastic for a workshop or extra storage, we know this home is going to be popular. Clear your calendars, make room in your diary. We'll see you at the open homes on the weekend here at 21 Karapiti Place in Glen Eden.